計我唔見咗隻鞋之後，小柴唔見咗隻鞋啊，爭啲唔係講錯咗。
即係我媽就話，即係有一個難忘嘅18歲生日啦。作為一個25年嘅 DSE 咧，上個禮拜三咧已經放咗榜啦，終於嚟到身後邊嘅上海迪士尼樂園啦。
White lips, pale face, breathing in the snowflakes, burnt lungs, sour taste. Lights gone, days end, struggling to pay rent, long nights, strange men. And they say she's in the class 18, stuck in her daydream. Been this way since 18, but lately her face seems slowly sinking, wasting, crumbling like pastries. And they scream the worst things in life come free to us, 'cause we're just under the upper hand and go mad for a couple grams. And she don't wanna go outside tonight. And in a pipe she flies to the motherland, or sells love to another man. It's too cold outside for angels to fly.
嚟緊26年有咩票會拍，有咩票會出？未諗到住，不過一定有片出。Anyway，祝大家聖誕同新年快樂，Stay tuned。